This video is going to walk you through managing your power settings to minimize your downtime and maximize your efficiency. Let's get started. In the lower left corner, you're going to type in the word power, and you're going to search for power and sleep settings. Go ahead and click on that. And we could try to manage them in here, but there's a better place. So let's maximize our screen so we see all of our options. That's the square in the upper right corner. And then we're going to go over to Related Settings, Additional Power Settings. Now this is going to bring up our Power Options control panel. And where it says Select a Plan, we're going to click on Change Plan Settings. From here, what we recommend is setting the top ones to 15 and the bottom ones to 30. And what this is going to do is make it so that when you don't use your computer for 15 minutes, the screen will go black and the computer goes completely to sleep after 30 minutes. So here's an example. Say you get up during class and go to the restroom, and you don't touch your computer for a few minutes, you come back, it's 20 minutes later, your screen will be black, you'll have to log back in again. Or say, for example, you're doing a science lab, you walk to the back of the room, half an hour later you come back, your computer will probably be asleep and you'll need to log in again. So 15 and 30. Go ahead and save changes. And then we're going to look at what the power button does and what closing the lid does. And both of those are under this area, although they had two separate links on the side. And by default, your computer is probably set so that when you press the power button, it goes to sleep. You have two choices here that I would recommend. One is to do nothing, the other one is to sleep. You don't want to have a situation where you accidentally bump the side of your keyboard and your computer shuts down or hibernates, because those will take a long time to start back up. So either choose do nothing or sleep. I'm going to choose sleep for both of mine. When I close the lid, here's an example. You are in social studies class and your teacher says, put your lid down. Do you want to have to type your password in and wait a minute for it to wake up? Or do you want to just open your lid and have it keep going? The options you have are do nothing and sleep. As a student, you probably want to say that at least when you're on battery, you have it do nothing. However, that also means that if you close your lid and forget to shut down and then you put your computer back in your case, that your computer is probably going to overheat. If you're a person who thinks you might do that, then go ahead and do sleep. What you don't want to do is choose hibernate or shut down. Both of those will take unnecessary time from your class. So I'm going to make both of mine sleep for now. Once you make your changes, then you can go ahead and save changes. And those are basically it. Once you have those set, go ahead and experiment, close your lid, see what happens, make sure the settings work correctly, and you should be good to go. If you have questions about this, please come see me. I'm happy to help.